guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Maryann Okonkwo. I make videos ranging from beauty, lifestyle, and vlogs. If those are videos you're interested in, then consider subscribing to my channel for more content. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. You're the real MVP. Thank you so much for returning to my channel. Like, you guys deserve a round of applause, which I will give to you guys soon. With that said, today's video is a review. I'm going to be reviewing, actually it's my first impression, so it's going to be a first impression about a beauty product. Like, guys, I've been super excited since I got this product, and I can't wait to, I just had to film this video and make it come out earlier than the rest of the videos that I've filmed and edited, because I really want you guys to hear my thoughts about it. So if you're interested in finding out what the product is and what my thoughts and first impression about the products are, then definitely keep on watching. Hey guys, if you're still watching, that means you're interested in this video. Today I'm going to be reviewing this is the Aztec Beauty Health and Beauty Aztec Secrets Indian Healing Clay, world most powerful facial deep pore cleansing 100% natural calcium bentonite clay. Let's talk about it first. Before I got this, I actually did, as you guys know, I always do a lot of research before purchasing any beauty product, because one, I don't want to waste money, and then two, I don't want to get anything that would have a negative impact on my skin. So I did a lot of research, and most of the research that I did, reviews about this product, came back positive. So I was excited, like, yay, finally got a product I'm going to use. And I was looking forward to really getting that deep cleansing that a lot of people, deep pore cleansing that a lot of people talked about, and how fast it was able to heal their acne and whatnot. So some of the reviews include what I already mentioned, that it cleanses their face so well. It also helps to detoxify their skin, which is a huge deal. So let's just briefly talk about what the component is, because it's basically just one. It's the bentonite clay, calcium bentonite clay, and that's what is contained inside this jar. Bentonite clay, what is it used for, and what are the health benefits that you stand to gain from using this particular product? So bentonite clay is a natural fine clay. It is odorless. It has a lot of health benefits. In fact, some people make this into supplements and they use it internally for their body. So it has been known to help with diarrhea, skin conditions, inflammation, amongst many other things. Bentonite clays, especially the calcium infused 100% calcium ones, although it says calcium, it also has other components, which includes potassium, sodium, also absorbs toxins, impurities, and any bad inflammation from your skin, both internally and externally. And because of this, it has been known to be a must-have beauty product. So it can be used to create mud masks, it can be used to create beauty recipes, amongst many other. When used internally in the right amount, it creates this alkalizing, I hope I got the pronunciation, effect in the body, and can be used to treat gut issues. My review today is not about the internal benefits. I'm going to be talking more about the external. Okay, bentonite clay is a unique clay due to its ability to produce electrical charges when in contact with any fluid. So when it comes in contact with fluids, its electrical component changes and become a very strong negative one. So as a result of that, it changes the positive nature of toxins and just makes it negative and easier to remove. So basically, in layman's term, when you mix your bentonite clay with water or with your apple cider vinegar, it forms this volcanic, even you would notice that it starts to bubble. That means that its electrical components are changing, and once you put it on your skin, it affects the electrical charges again of the toxins and sticks to it. So when you pull it off your skin, both the toxins and the clay itself will be coming off. So you see, it's basically like your black, this black stuff that you put on your face, and then when you just pull it, all the black heads and white heads also remove. So that's one benefit about this. So with that in mind, I'm really excited to try out this product and tell you guys firsthand what I think about it. And if you're interested in watching this video, then definitely keep on watching. Let's read the directions. Fuel your face, pulsate. Mix clay with equal parts of raw apple cider vinegar and or water. Use a non-metal bowl and utensil. Stir the mixture well to a smooth paste. Add more clay or liquid as needed. Apply to the face or other area. Let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes for delicate skin and 15 to 20 minutes for normal skin. You will feel a pulling and tightening sensation. You basically feel your face pulsate. Remove clay by washing with warm water. Slight redness of the skin is normal and will disappear in about 30 minutes. Removes impurities and dirt from the pores. Deep pore cleansing. World most powerful facial. So this is 1 ounce of clay and mix 10 to 15 facials. Use it once per week for the family, more often for problem skin. Men love it too, for external use only. Okay, so this says even though there's been several internal benefits, this is not for ingestion. You're not supposed to swallow this. It's not supposed to go in your mouth. It's supposed to be like on your skin. Ingredients: 100% natural calcium bentonite. That's the green one. Sun dried, no fragrances, no animal testing, no additive. Discontinue use if irritation occurs. So that's basically what we have. This baby is, I don't know, I've watched so many good reviews on YouTube about it, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys my first-hand experience. So it says to mix in a bowl. Please make sure that whatever bowl or whatever tool you're going to be using, they are non-metal. As I said, because of the electrical activities that goes on when you mix with fluid, it's going to affect whatever metal you're going to use would affect that electrical charge, and then it might not work for you. So make sure that they are plastic. So I have a plastic knife and I have a plastic bowl. And of course I have apple cider vinegar. Make sure that you're getting the one with the mother. So this is the mother written on it. I don't know if you can see it because the light is really bright, so it has the mother on it. So this is the one you should get. And of course you have the clay itself. What you basically want to do is open it. So it comes with, it's going to have bentonite and it's going to have calcium bentonite clay tape on it just to seal it, and then once you pull it down like this, you can unscrew it and just see the contents. This is what it looks like. So it's they said it's green, but I don't think this is green. This is a bit gray with a tint of green, so it's not entirely green. So when I saw green, I was expecting this green. So it's not this green, it's a gray color mixed with a tint of green. I'm just going to take a bit of that. I usually just eyeball it. So I don't have a scoop or any of that. Nothing fancy. So this is how much I have on. Next, I'm going to pour in some apple cider vinegar. And again, I don't have a measurement. I know I should, but this is not the first time I'll be eyeballing anything. When I'm cooking, I do the same thing and it doesn't come out wrong. And just look at it fizzle. I'll maybe attach a B-roll so that you guys better understand. So mix to a pasty consistency. You don't want it runny. If not, it's gonna just be like apple cider vinegar only on your face. So make sure you mix it well and it's pasty like this. And next, I'm just going to go ahead and apply it. So make sure that fork that you're using is clean. There are no germs on it, so you won't be worsening your situation and transferring more germs to your skin. So this is clean all over your face. I don't know, even with my makeup, I like to start from my cheeks. You want to be very careful because, you know, so it doesn't stain your clothes. So I also like to put on my lip line. Some got on my hair. So, but that's fine. I've seen people use it on their hair as well. So it doesn't have any fragrance to it. It doesn't smell. The only fragrance I can perceive right now is the apple cider vinegar, which is okay because we all know apple cider vinegar has a smell, strong acidic smell. So, but it's nothing major because I used to use apple cider vinegar some time back, I think for weight loss, and I also used to use it to cook. But yeah, this is basically it. It says to leave it on for, so I think my skin is delicate, so I'm gonna leave it for 20 minutes, but that's okay because I'm sure it won't dry in 20 minutes. Like I usually just leave it till it's dry and I can no longer move my face, then I go and clean it off. But let me just time it so we're following the procedure. So it says 20 minutes. So while this is drying, I'm going to go back to editing my videos, and once it's dry, I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like dried, and then we can talk about it and, you know, continue with the rest of the video. See you guys in a bit. So guys, it's remaining about 4 minutes and this is what it's looking like. it's almost dry, and but not completely dry, as you can see, but you can see that it's already cracking, so it's like tightening my skin. So let's wait for it to heat 20 minutes and I'll be right back. So 20 minutes is passed and you can see that my timer just went off. Now let's talk about it. It's not completely dry. I'm still gonna have to leave it for a couple more minutes, but just take a good look at this. Like you can see it's breaking, but one thing I noticed was as it's breaking, each piece is like sticking so hard to my skin. It's almost like when you have a wound and then the wound is clotting and you know all the skin starts gathering around. So that's how it feels, like it looks like, and also feels. So that's what causes your skin to really stretch and pulsate, because each clay piece, when it's dry, it grabs onto your skin like almost like squeezing it together, and which is great because it's tightening your pores and at the same time trying to squeeze out the toxins from your skin. So yeah, that's with that. Secondly, no smell, no discomfort. The only discomfort though is that I can't move my face that much, which is why I'm talking a bit weird right now. And when it's completely dry without all these cracks, because I was trying to take thumbnail pictures and I was doing like, you know, and all that stuff, so it was cracking way before it dried. So that's why it's a little bit slightly convenient for me to talk, but ideally you won't be able to move your mouth at all. This is what it looks like right now. I really love it. People say you can use water, you can either use water or apple cider vinegar. It even says so on the instruction, but however I just feel a lot better using the apple cider vinegar because these two is packed with a lot of health and skin benefits. So two powerful products giving you top-notch results. And yeah, I can't wait to wash this off and, you know, just show you guys how my face looks and then talk to you about how my face feels actually. And yeah, so let me just wait a couple more minutes, let it dry completely, then I would come back and maybe show you guys. If not, just go and wash it off and then show you guys the finished result. I'll say this has been on for a little over 30 minutes, you know, so in addition to the earlier, so I think total maybe 50 minutes actually. But can you see? Let me come closer so you can see it better. Can you see how each of the cracked, you know, clay is like pulling on my skin, like sucking, as if it's sucking my skin. So that's basically it. And you can see that it has really stretched in the face, tightened it actually, so my eyes are like wide open without me really opening it. I just figured I should quickly come and show you guys what it looks like when, you know, I'm about to wash it off. I just soaked my face in water, and try not to force it, like pull it off your skin when it's completely dry. You're gonna hurt yourself. Like I'm even scared that my skin might pull off because it's that hard. So make sure that your face is like dry, and then what you want to do is rub it off as opposed to pulling. So once it's wet enough, you can actually start scraping it with your fingers and it will just come off. So don't pull it while it's dry. Do you get? So I'm just going to go back and wash my face off and I'll be right back. This is it washed off for my face, and as you can see there's a little, just a tiny, my face is slightly red, and it says that it's normal, so it's supposed to normalize after about 20-30 minutes. And yeah, so that's basically it. So let's talk about the feeling. It felt really good while I was washing my face. I think the hardest part is washing my face off. So I would recommend using this when you're about to go to bed, when you're about to go have your bath, not, you know, when you've had your bath and then you're doing like skincare stuff, so that while you're having your bath you're able to like really wash it off. Because I just had to go and wash my face over the sink, and it was a lot of work. I literally had to put my face on the sink and let the water run over it, so it's a bit of a struggle. So make sure you apply this just before you're about to go and have your bath. It makes it a lot easier, trust me. Just a slight redness. My face feels really smooth, even though like there are little bumps here and there, but my face really feels smooth. Like it feels smooth, but then I still have like the rashes I had here and the pimple. But this is, I was not expecting to see this amount of results in one use, so I'm sure by the time I use it for a week I should be able to see like very effect on my skin. So don't be like so many people that expect to use a product now and expect results immediately. So maybe tomorrow when I wake up it's gonna feel better, I don't know, but would find out. So I'm definitely going to do an update video, just basically telling you guys what the update is after using it for 1 week or 2 or 1 month. Let me know what duration you want me to use it for before letting you guys know what the update is. Do you want an update in 1 week or do you want an update in 1 month? And yeah, that's basically it. So I'm just going to come closer so you can see my face a lot clearly. So this is what my face is looking like. I haven't dried it. I think for most natural products like this, you're supposed to leave it to air dry. But if you're in a hurry, make sure you use a clean towel to clean your face. Just tap it dry, don't rub over it, because you can see that my face is a bit red. But and if I go ahead and use a towel to rub in my face, I'm just going to make the redness worse. So make sure you tap dry or use a paper towel to tap dry, or you just leave it to air dry. So this is what my face looks like. Slight redness here and there, but generally my face feels really smooth. Like it feels really clean, and you can see that my pores are not clogged anymore. It's open. I don't know if that's a good thing, but if it's clogged, it's going to be dirty. It won't be as open as this. So I have a paper towel here. I'm just going to make it faster. I wish I had like those microscopic stuff so we can really see what's happening underneath my skin. I need to get that stuff like ASAP. This is basically my face after using it. I see that my face is really dry, so you definitely need like a good moisturizer. Oh, my face feels really smooth. So I'm just going to moisturize my face and bring some moisture back. And yeah, this is basically everything. I've moisturized my face and my face really feels really smooth and cleaner. I'm refreshed again. And yeah, so basically I'd say it's a win. Even though I've used it just once, I'm happy to use this for a week, a month, and then come back on here and give you guys an update. But I have no doubts that this product is going to do a fantastic job. Like just one use and I already feel like this. I can imagine what 1 week of using it or 1 month of using it would result in. So stick around. If you want that video, let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to do that. In the meantime, if you haven't seen my review about the On The Ordinary AH 30% and BA 2% acid peeling solution, then click the card up here or check the description bar for a link to that video so you can watch it and just really understand what it's about. I plan on doing more product reviews like this in the future, so let me know what products you want me to review next in the comment section and I'll be happy to do that. Until my next video guys, stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll see you guys later.